baseball, something. And probably boxing, maybe cage fighting. He just smacked Lucas in the face and he threw something right at him.
Yeah.
But I mean, he whiffed it. I mean, he flat threw it, and then he looked at you like oh, I didn't mean to.
Yeah, he's quick to say
But it
he's
was,
sorry, but
it was.
not really.
Hi, Forrest.
Hi, Tom.
Where's my stick?
He's got this figured out.
Where's my stick and rubber band?
Your stinking rubber band.
My stick.
Wayne, there in Sayersville, Ben Patrick
Okay,
lives
watch.
next door.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, he screwed it up.
Hold it
I was
out.
just bragging on him.
Hold it out away from your body.
I was just bragging on him.
No, take your time. Be patient. Good.
Oh,
Wow.
look at that. Look at that. Whee! That's the best one
Did
ever.
I do it?
Yeah, you did it.
Where's the stick and rubber band?
Well, I don't know.
And Ben Patrick, you know, took
There's a
took
stick right
took
under
pains
your-
with- And once Lars said, I wish Ben Patrick was my dad. And I thought, oh, you little brat. Because you was working hard and everything. Ben was over there, he was like Tommy's fooling the kids, you know. He's been good to them and everything.
Let's see. Do you have any idea where your rubber band's at?
Oh,
Killian, you peeing?
yeah, he's peeing right there.
Right in front of Granny?
God and everybody.
Pick up your pants.
Moon in the Towsy house.
Yeah, he blasted the bark off your tree earlier. He peed on it.
Just missed being seen. For the girls. You better watch what you're doing down there.
Yeah, no. What all it is.
As soon as they get it figured out.
Shoot each other with those things.
There's some fierce, competitive stuff
Look at
going
that.
on here.
That's nice. I can adjust those wings to make it twirl. They need to be flattened out a little bit.
Hover, fly, get off my water.
Pretty good.
No, it wasn't. That sucked.
But not high.
Try it again.
Well, try it again. There you go. Now, oops.
That's good, Lucas. Good.
Oh,
Yeah.
look, Lucas. But it's not twirling.
Oh no.
Is it in the tree?
It fell out. Get up, Killian.
Excuse me. Did you have any of this big at the hobby shop on the way here? I was going to get them airplanes, but I thought these would be fun.
Got a hold of it at the bottom, Killian.
Boy, this is good soup. Whoever made it, morning and
Come on.
morning not combined. It's so good. Those potatoes.
No.
Well, some of them had blood, but she said she just got them.
Killian.
They put them, so yeah, I know that they're getting ready to go.
Oh, there it is.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Wow,
Wow.
that thing is
That's the way
twirling
it's
good.
supposed to be, isn't it?
That's the way to go.
Amy said that's the way
That
to go.
good? Was that a good shot?
Yeah, get it higher.
Get it higher.
That was excellent.
That ain't very high.
He's doing it good now. Out how to hold it.
Now, when he,
Run away though.
when he figures out that he's right-handed and holds the stick in his left hand, he'll get even better.
Lucas.
Is he left-handed or right-handed?
No,
And right at the time when you launch it,
Well, he's probably
flick that stick a little,
ambidextrous, like
just
me.
a little flick. Look it, up there.
Well, I'm right-handed,
When
but
you
I
let
do
go,
everything
flick
left-handed.
a little bit.
No.
switch around and do it. Hold the stick in his left hand and control it with his right hand.
Get away from your face. Get away from your face.
But he'll do it.
Let's see how high you can shoot it.
Whoa! Whoa!
Not bad. Not bad.
Hey, Duncan.
Killian.
Killian. Try holding it in your other hand.
Try shooting it at Tom.
There you go. Try that.
You want?
All right, tell me a ghost story.
Yeah, but it's gotta have some right
He
here.
makes sparks.
There's a berry big.
I think.
I can't remember any. So I just look for.
Tell me a ghost story.
You
You gonna tell it?
Exploding from body noddings.